Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thank you so much again for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day and good afternoon. We're taking a little look here at Solana, seeing what's going on. We are still honoring our ascending trend line, breaking through this tentative resistance level, closing at this 136 or high is going to be a big deal. So we're absolutely looking to be on target for some awesome stuff here. Keep in mind, Bitcoin is having some difficulty crossing this level here. And if it does end up surpassing that, we should be in good shape. I'm not saying that Solana is going to drop. It's actually doing very well contrary to Bitcoin, but there is that little caveat. We have to say that almost every single time. Anyways, take a look here at some backend data. We'll go ahead and recognize a few key factors to go from there. I want to say thank you again to BTCC for offering some awesome opportunities to our community members. Phenomenal deposit rewards. Use my link to register this month. Check them out. They're really cool. Good alternative, because I always recommend having a day trading and a swing trading portfolio. Separate the two if you can, just so that way you're never trading with the same stuff. Congrats to our SUI trade here, 85%, Bitcoin roughly 30%, and Cardano 32%. Those are longs we've taken in the last few days here. So again, more into the longs for the moment, right? There's no point in shorting into an uptrend. Okay. Solana is absolutely in an uptrend. When we take a look at liquidation, 137 to 140 is that heavy concentration or heavy-ish. It's not massive, but it's growing. You take a look here, we can see there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars that have a little bit more than, I would say, $1 billion each. So there's about 6 billion liquidation. That has increased a sizable amount. I think earlier today I was looking at about 3 or 4 billion. So a lot of folks just keep shorting and shorting this level. And it doesn't make a ton of sense, but whatever, to each their own. Either way, that's kind of what we're looking at there. We are coming up on a potential double top here as well. If Bitcoin pulls back, keep in mind Solana could retrace. But if we are going to be able to honor this ascending trend line and we keep that in place, this lower potential reality is not even existent. Okay. But again, I've been looking for a closure at above 136 or higher, preferably today. So we're going to see. Just keep in mind, this comes with a disclaimer because not only could Bitcoin pull back, but Asia could very much secure some significant profits. Not like there's a lot of profit on the table, but they've been known to dump the markets at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time almost every single day this week. So it's just kind of this natural rinse and repeat. US markets goes up, Asian markets go down, but we're still honoring our ascending trend by establishing higher highs and higher lows. So those are all good things. A daily time frame, we're not bullish yet. Please, folks, understand this. Just because we break above this level 2, which would be a big deal if we close at 136 or higher today, specifically 135.50, then we're going to be in a pretty decent position. But once again, we're still under the 20-day SMA and all other SMAs. We're still under 50 in the RSI. Those are a lot of things that are kind of holding the price action down or in place or can and will. So just know that's a potential reality. Is that a guarantee? No, we don't just go to the 20-day SMA and instantly reject every time. It's just kind of an indication that we are breaking more so towards the bullish side of things. I'm looking for the same thing with Bitcoin too, folks. We're not there yet, but we're getting really close. You can see we're right there at that level. Okay, so Solana looks very similar, doesn't it? Yep, that's how it goes sometimes with crypto. Altcoins become mirror images of Bitcoin. So at this point, what we're looking for is some good stuff here. We're over zero on TSI. MACD is converging, albeit pretty small. We can see here as well with our RSI maintaining above 50. These are all very positive signs. While money flow index is pulling back, that's mainly because some of these high volume candles are falling off. So be careful if you're using Market Cipher or other things like that. They will give you some false positives when this happens. Okay, again, it's a 14-day lag, or in this case, 14 candlestick lag. And with this big candle over here being like, oopsie daisy, then money flow index is going to taper off when truth is there's more money flowing into this coin. So just keep that in mind. Hourly time frame, last thing to recognize too, is the Ichimoku cloud, and just confirming that unlike Bitcoin, we're seeing a lot more strength here with Solana, specifically in the last 7 to 10 hours. So we look at this here, Bitcoin's like, I'm not sure what to do. We're losing momentum, losing steam. Solana's like, I'm ready to take off. So it seems like a pretty distinct probability. We're going to see this 140 potential hit here. And then, of course, maybe even a retracement to this level and continue higher. Again, this is just a play out that I have. It's no guarantee, but most of the time you'll see candle wicks right up to the liquidation levels, and then it pulls back to local support. Right now, our support is likely 135.50 because that's a previous resistance level for us. And closing above this level is going to be fairly huge. So if you take a look here, boom, look at that. That is a pretty significant wall here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Today's the 9th day to try to break through that level. Let's see if it happens. Okay. If it does, don't go balls to the wall. We're still under some key level resistances, but just know you're going to want secure profits between now and the 140 range. And if you want to consider, taking a trade longer than that, just ensure it's low leverage. You maybe add a trailing stop loss to your trade just in case the price pulls back, or more importantly, trade spot. I know it seems crazy, right? Well, who is this guy telling me not to use leverage? That's crazy. That's what crypto is all about, making money fast, quick. Anyways, I'm trying to be sarcastic and funny here, but it's not working, but you get the concept, right? Just those folks that are just wearing like, sunshades, and they got their techno music playing, they're showing you how great crypto is, they're getting rich quick, right? That is not what it's all about. Trading is about consistency and being fairly well-rounded and level as a person. You shouldn't be like amped up on energy drinks being like, how amazing am I, right? It's not what it's all about. Anyways, try not to trust people that are posting on social media how amazing they are because they caught the top. They're a surgeon. That's just, I don't know. It gets old after a while. I just try not to buy into it. That's exactly why I never watch any other streamers or YouTubers or anything. I pretty much just stay in my own little bubble because a lot of times you can inundate yourself with too much information. So just be careful with who you trust. Be careful watching me for that matter. I take no offense if you don't like what I offer. But again, it's not for everyone, but those who slow down, pump the brakes, and trade better, they're more consistent. That's all there is to it. All right, I'll post my playout chart here on Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. Once again, check out BTCC. These guys are awesome. Excellent rewards if you use my link to register. And we're going to have trading competitions with them too. Keep in mind, Bitunix is still a phenomenal exchange. I just recommend having a secondary exchange for day trading and a primary one for swing trading, or vice versa, right? That's the concept. Either way, thanks again for watching, folks. Have a good rest of your day. We'll see you next one. Take care.